Hello everyone, this is Diwakar Singh, a global sales consultant, a TEDx speaker and a salespreneur. I support startups and small and medium enterprises in their business development growth. So we will discuss about the importance of branding and how you should do the unified communication about your product and services. There is something called value proposition of your product or services which you have derived, and that value proposition need to be conveyed in an appealing format. As such, it is very much impactful and helpful for your customer, for which you need to understand persona of your customer. What kind of a consumer is going to be your customer, how you are going to connect with them, and what will be their aspirations, what will be their expectations in terms of your product and service which you are offering. This has to be thoroughly studied, and you have to do a lot of market research, and especially when it comes to branding, you need to maintain a unified model. When your product information is coming, it has to have a similar kind of a model in every channel, and you should have a specific logo created and which is appealing, and a meaningful tagline which is really connecting to the customer problem and your solution what you are offering. And all this has to be very carefully curated and presented to the customer. It is competitive time today. As we are moving forward from the pandemic onwards, continuously the global slowdown is impacting, and there is a markets where only monopoly for 2-3 companies in specific areas. Take an example of Ola, Uber, or Flipkart and the Amazon. Now the larger section of the business is going to the larger ones, a few companies. So definitely all startups and small and medium enterprises, when you have curated your product, identified the gaps and came out with a solution, your problem identification, everything you have done, and only thing the leftover is very strong communication of your value proposition to your target prospect, identifying the gap analysis, what large companies cannot do, what small companies as a flexible companies. There is a theory like David and Goliath, what we call the large companies cannot flexibly go and deliver so many things, where a startup company and small and medium companies can create a lot of flexible options to the companies. So definitely there is challenging times. You need to work around on your branding, your marketing, your advertising with a lot of creative ads, where you will be visible with a very valued partner to the customers, valued vendor to the customer, where they will be accessing your services and products.